Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Valvoline and Sparesbox. Don't forget BCW5 on checkout. This week, something a little bit different. We thought we'd have a bit of a look back on 2021, pick some highlights and some lowlights from the year, and also some probably behind the scenes and some bloopers, something you guys haven't seen before. 13's too big. Okay, I'll grab a 14. You watch this not fit back through the arm. Oh, Jesus. Gotta like screw it in. Here I was thinking a soft shell crab was an animal with a soft shell, and I'm like, that's a shit crab.
Yeah, right.
But a soft shell crab is actually a crab who has shed its shell and is still in the stages of like rehardening. Yeah, and they kill them at that exact time. Wait. I win, except I don't because I hate wiring. And it's only really just starting. Imagine if it's your job to wait for a crab to molt.
Oh,
how boring would your job be? What are you? I'm a crab molter. Yeah, sounds great. Dave's here. Turns out the header paint was a waste of time. This does have a Nismo short shifter in it, but we are actually sucker. I'll get back to you, Barry.
Well, you're probably rambling anyway. Shut the up. Listen to your fans.
Get your face.
Get to the point already.
Get your face.
Don't talk so much. You look like a cow with that beard anyway.
I know, right? Moo.
Moo.
You know, I've always wondered why Americans call Jaguars a Jaguar. Just made a really convenient finger guillotine between the bell housing and the spanner. Works really well. I'm literally washing my hand. The box. Woo, my career. Jesus. The joys of a metal alignment tool, people.
Which oil has been trusted for over 150 years? He knows. And you know. Valvoline, the original engine oil.
to say first and foremost, thank you to all of the viewers out there who support the channel, whether it be subscribing, liking, commenting, or buying some merch. All that stuff really does help the channel. Massive thanks also to Sparesbox and Valvoline for their continued support of the channel. Same goes for the guys at Haltech. Without them, we literally wouldn't have these sort of project cars kicking around. I don't have a clue when it comes to tuning, and my wiring's average at best. So those guys being able to help us with the builds really does make a difference and allow us to produce much better content for you guys. Thanks to Raceworks as well for their support, much the same as Haltech. Their plumbing and stuff just makes everything work. Jamie particularly at Raceworks goes above and beyond for us continually, so really want to thank him as well for his support in particular. Thanks to the guys at Empire Elite Performance Parts as well as Empire Mechanical and Racing. Both of the guys at both of those different businesses also go above and beyond to help us out. Running the Cresta and the Mustang are both pretty demanding vehicles on time as well as budgets, so yeah, with their help, both with some sponsorship of product and obviously their labour and stuff really does help us out to continue running both of those cars as well. Yeah, so from the bottom of my heart, for everyone that supports the channel, really want to say a massive thank you. Also, thanks to Gian. Without him, you guys wouldn't have anything because I cannot film and I cannot edit. So yeah, without his constant support of me, we wouldn't be here. So yeah, massive thanks to him as well. Thanks to everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.